Hey there everyone, welcome back to Measure and Mix. So for today's video, I'm collaborating with 3 other people here on YouTube. Casey from Coffee with My Sunshine contacted me last week and asked me if I wanted to be a part of this collaboration, and I definitely said yes. The other 2 ladies that we're collaborating with are Regina from Home Sweep Home and also Angie from Life by Angie. And we've created a fall DIY for you under $20. So I'm so excited to share mine with you. I have a sneak peek of what Angie, Casey, and Regina have created for you. I think they came up with some great fall DIYs. I cannot wait to see their videos on how they created them. So I hope you go over there after you are done here and check out each one of their videos. I will have their channels linked down in the description box below. So for my DIY today, I am going to be doing a buffalo checked burlap pumpkin. So stick around to find out how it turns out. Okay, so the first thing I need to do is prepare my pumpkin, which I just got one of these jack-o'-lanterns from the store. It costs about $1. You can find these anywhere. So the first thing I am going to do is remove the handle. Okay, now what I need to do is stuff the pumpkin because I want this to be a little more dome-shaped up here and not so flat. So I'm just going to use some of these plastic bags that I have lying around, and you could use newspaper if you didn't have plastic bags. Okay, so now that the pumpkin is filled with the plastic bags, I am just going to use some of this duct tape that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to tape the top. That way it'll just give it a smoother look on the top and it'll hold the plastic bags in. Okay, so now that I have the top taped, all I'm gonna do is take this outside and spray paint it with some white chalk paint, and I will be right back. Okay, so my pumpkin is painted all white. So now what I'm gonna do is I am going to Mod Podge this burlap onto the pumpkin. So that's why I painted it white here. So that way you couldn't see the face or the orange as much. It wouldn't show through. I did get this burlap from Joann Fabrics. It's $12.99, but I did get this for 40% off, plus another 25% off with their coupons. So I'm gonna attach this with my matte Mod Podge, and you can buy this at Dollar Tree if you don't have any. Okay, so while the Mod Podge is drying on my pumpkin, I am going to go ahead and make a stem out of this nautical rope from Dollar Tree and some hot glue, and then I'm just gonna need some scissors. And what I'm gonna do first is just determine the length, which I can cut some off, so I kinda wanna make it longer instead of shorter, just in case. And I'm just gonna cut 3 equal pieces. Okay, now that I have my 3 equal pieces, what I'm going to do is just take each piece of rope and pull them apart like this. So that way I will end up having 9 pieces of separated rope. Okay, so now that the rope is separated, I'm gonna go to the bottom of each one and kind of pull them apart. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the bottoms that I pulled apart and kind of frayed out, and that's gonna be the bottom of my stem. So I'm just gonna put some of them together, maybe like 4 or 5 pieces, and then I'm gonna twist them, and then I'm gonna start hot gluing them together. Okay, so now that I have these 5 pieces hot glued together, I am just going to take these other 4 pieces and start intertwining them with my hot glue gun all the way up the stem. Okay, now all that's left to do is to attach my stem to the pumpkin just with some hot glue. Alright guys, I really love how my pumpkin turned out. I think it is so cute. It was definitely a messy project with Mod Podge everywhere, but I'm used to being messy when I DIY, so no big deal. It also came out under budget, so it would roughly cost you about $11 to make this pumpkin, which I think is not bad for the size of the pumpkin. I had most of the items, so it only cost me the price of the burlap, which I think was around $6 or $7 after all the discounts and everything, so I thought that was a pretty good deal also. So if you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out Casey, Angie, and Regina's videos for their DIYs. Thank you to them for letting me participate in this collaboration. And if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button down below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, and I will see you guys next time. Take care. Bye-bye.